Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create those funny Italian brain rot stories that you see everywhere on TikTok, Instagram, etc. So this would be a complete step-by-step process in which I'm going to show you how you can create, your own characters, then creating videos out of it, and finally editing them together. And also, I'm going to provide you a master prompt through which you can create all of these animations, starting from images, videos, all with the help of just one single prompt. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, I went to Instagram and I basically came across this Instagram page where it has basically uploaded tons of those funny Italian brain rot stories. So for example, if you go ahead and take a look at this story, so yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate this very easily with your own characters and everything. And you can also go ahead and create your own story as well. That part I'm going to tell you as well, which most people find really hard to do so. So yeah, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download this video from Instagram. Alright, so after I've downloaded, so the next thing is you need to go ahead and upload your video to Gemini, since this is the only tool in which you can go ahead and upload your video, and Gemini is going to basically, break down the whole story from the video. So yeah, that is a fantastic tool, because every other, ChatGPT, or you can say Grok, you cannot go ahead and upload video and basically, extract the whole story out of it. So basically, I uploaded the video and say, analyze this funny Italian brain rot story carefully and tell me the story behind it, the exact one, only the story, the idea, and everything. So basically, then Gemini analyzes the whole video and told me the core concept. And after that, it has also told me the whole story, like, the act of malice, the victims, escalation, climax twist, the conclusion, everything. So this, I can go ahead and basically recreate this into my own. But after that, what I like to do is I can go ahead and customize this story into my own, keeping the format and everything same. So I said, okay, just like that, can you go ahead and provide me the story like this, but my own, but should be brain rot like this. So now I have my own story that I can go ahead and create as my reference. And now the story part is done. So now let's just go ahead and move to our next prompt and images part. Okay, so the prompts and everything you'll be creating inside of Grok AI, because I find it very good for these kind of videos, especially the prompts and then images and videos. Everything you can do inside of Grok AI. It's an all-in-one tool, and it's really worth going for the $30 subscription inside of Grok, because with the help of this tool, you can create your prompts, you can create your images, story, all in one place. Okay, so inside of Grok AI, first of all, I started with uploading the image of my character, so that you can go ahead and easily pick, on Google, you can search over here, Tun 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 Sahur, or what I did is I basically, just screenshot the character from the Instagram video. Like, you can go ahead and take a screenshot of this, and then come to Grok AI, and simply after that you have to say, can you go ahead and break down the character to us in the form of prompts, only the character, no equipment with him, just a character, like it should have big cunning eyes and sneaky character. Then it has basically created me the prompt for that I can go ahead and use it to create my own version, you guys, right? So similarly, just like that, our main wood character, which is Tun 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 Sahur, that is created. So now we can go ahead and basically create the prompt for the rest of the characters that are there in the story. So the next thing I did is, similarly, I went ahead and uploaded the image of my second character, which was this, and then said the same thing. Also, can you go ahead and provide the prompt of this character? So now our base prompt is ready for this character as well. And similarly, for our third shark character, our prompt is ready. I did the same thing, and now we have the base prompt for our shark character ready as well, you guys. Okay, so once all of your base prompts are ready, so the next thing is you need to create your images prompts and your videos prompt, right? So for that, I have basically readied a master prompt for you guys, which you can simply, copy paste inside of Grok AI to create all of your images prompts and video prompts. Only you have to input your story inside of that after you have uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys. I'm going to simply copy the whole thing. Come into Grok AI, open a new chat, and simply paste that master prompt right over here. Click on submit. Okay, so the next thing Grok AI is going to say is to drop the story whenever you are ready. So now I'm going to go ahead and pick the same story that I created, with Gemini after uploading my video. So let's just say this was my story. I'm going to go ahead and copy this whole thing. come back into Grok AI and simply paste my story right over here, click on submit. Okay, so now you guys can see it's basically breaking down all the scenes for me. It's, reading the image prompt as well as the video prompt. So now our scene 1 is ready. We have the image prompt for that, and then we have the video prompt for the same scene. So now our scene 2 is ready. Image prompt is done, video prompt is done for that as well. And similarly, just like that, we have 10 scenes for our video with their image prompt as well as their video prompts, right? So now the next thing we need to do is we need to start creating our images. So first of all, I'm going to start by simply, copying my first image prompt. And then we have to come inside of Grok Imagine. Make sure you select image over here, and you need to select quality instead of speed, okay? And the aspect ratio would be 9:16. And then I'm going to simply paste my image right over here. And inside of the prompts, you guys would notice that it has said, exact same Woodman and in reference image 1. So whatever prompts that we created, whatever characters that we created, which were, the screenshots, which were these characters. So our first character was this, then this was our second character, and this was our third character. So this is basically just a screenshot of the characters that we, just downloaded this with us. So in the prompt, we have to input our reference image 1 for the Woodman. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then it's saying Sharkman in reference image 2. So I'm going to input the Sharkman as reference image 2, and then the Orange Man as reference image 3. So I'm gonna do Orange Man as reference image 3, you guys, okay? So yeah, now all of our images are uploaded, and then I'm gonna go ahead and simply click on submit. So it's going to take around a minute or so to, complete our generation. Okay, so this is how it's going to go ahead and basically create the images for us. So now let's just go ahead and try to create our second image. So I'm going to go back to my prompts. I'm going to go to scene 2. Simply copy my second one, come back to Imagine, Grok Imagine, paste my prompt right over here. And now we have to input the image of Woodman and the Sharkman as well as the Orange Man. Okay, so I'm going to do exactly like this. First of all, we have the Woodman, then we have the Sharkman, and then we have the Orange Man all uploaded. Click on submit. And then it's going to go ahead and create 2 variation images for you that you can easily go ahead and select. And if you let's just say don't like any of the image, so you can click on this redo image button. So it's going to go ahead and basically recreate the images for us so that you can choose a better between the images. Okay, so just like that, for the another story, I basically went ahead and created some images. These were all of my images that were from some other stories. So now let's just go ahead and jump to the video part, how you're going to go ahead and create videos out of the images that are done. So again, you have to come back to the Imagine, Grok Imagine, and now instead of image, you have to click on video. The resolution would be 720, duration 6 seconds, and aspect ratio would be 9:16. And now, first of all, you're going to start by uploading the images that you downloaded. So let's just say this was our first image that we created. So I'm going to create a video out of it. I'm going to simply upload it inside of our chat. And then for the prompt, we're going to go back to our, prompt section inside of Grok. And for the scene 1, we had image prompt. And now we're going to go ahead and basically copy and paste our video prompt inside of Grok Imagine. Just like that, uploaded the image earlier, and then click on submit. And again, it's going to take around just a minute or so to complete your generation for the video, you guys, okay? And while it's generating, you guys, you don't have to worry about the dialogues and everything because, these Brainrot videos doesn't have any dialogues. It's just, like plain actions and everything, it would be really simple. After your clips are done, you just have to do a little bit of editing, just to make your videos better, you guys, okay? Okay, so it has basically created this kind of video for us, which looks good. And again, if you don't like the video somehow, you can easily redo it or, just change the prompt according to your liking. So, all depends on the story. If you can go ahead and, just go through Instagram, pick the best story, just customize it inside of, like Gemini, and then you can create the best generations possible by using this master prompt, okay? All right, so let's just say from one of your story, all of your videos are done. So the next thing you need to do is you need to simply, combine all of your clips together just like this I did earlier. And then for my liking, I have basically, just maximize the speed of all the clips to 2x because, you notice these Brainrot videos are in fast-paced motion. So I went for that, and then simply just uploaded the background music, the typical background music of these Brainrot videos, and then you can simply go ahead and export it, and this is how your video is going to look like at the end.
Sorry, hold tight. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. Yeah, that's what you get. You'll never take me.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest and the step-by-step method. You can go ahead and create these kind of brain rot, funny Italian videos very, very easily, all with the help of just single AI tool, which is Grok AI. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.